Welcome back. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everybody out there as we are in a new monthly candle today, my friends. It is July the 1st. July. It is the month of America. Yeah, 4th of July coming up. That is good. I don't know if it's the month of America, but it felt good to say because 4th of July is coming up, guys, and the fireworks are about to begin in crypto. Filled with metaphors this morning. I am waiting for an absolute blast off in crypto. And guys, I want to talk to you about some of the top stories in this market today. Beep, boo, boo, bop. I want to talk about meme coins. I think that there are many 100X altcoins out there that we can find, and you must do your own research. But if you look hard enough, guys, you do the due diligence and you get lucky and you take profit. A lot of ands there. You can make a lot of money in crypto and you can find a 100X altcoin gem. So today I'm going to go through some of the news in this market, and then we are going to hunt for the next 100X meme coin. And I've got a couple coins that I've got my eye on that you're going to want to stick around to the end to see the coins that I've got the most faith in for that 100X boost. But you never know. Maybe there's some out there that you guys can educate me on in this live stream. But please do not overshill in the chat. Do not overshill in the chat. Otherwise, I'll put you in a timeout. But respectfully, go ahead and share some of your favorite coins in that comment section, my friends. Welcome. Good morning. Paul Bustamante in the chat. Good to see you. Chris Klein, Luke Goddard's Band, Killer Dragon, BSS, 01 Dizzle. Like that name. Mr. Planet Profit, Wheelchair Mafia. We got the folks in the chat. M. Kawal. Hope I said your name right. Welcome. Good morning. Berhan talking about push. We'll see. We'll talk about it all. Crypto Keeper saying he's killing it with Hoppy. I don't know about Hoppy, but I've seen the two people now talk about Hoppy, so we'll have to take a peek at it. We got 29 viewers to get her going. 17 of you guys are watching on X, and 12 of you guys are waking up this morning, just waking up, rubbing the sand out of your eyes on YouTube. Good morning and welcome back. Let's get into it, guys. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's chit-chat-a-roo about crypto, my friends. So let me share my screen. The music's down and the charts are up. You got Bitcoin at $62,800. It's a good thing to see. Up 2.03% on the day. And over the last week, it is up 2.21%. Not too shabby. Fear and Greed Index still indicating, yes, we are in a buying zone. If you want to find those 100X altcoins, what better time to find them than in a buying zone? And I do believe this is an accumulation zone, my friends. I really do believe that this is one of the last chances that we have to accumulate before things go so high that you missed out. I think, we're going to have a lot of bull market left. I think we roughly have about 500 days left of this bull market. If we're lucky, we were ahead of schedule. Now we're back on schedule. Each bull market, as I've been talking about, lasts about 1,070 days from the very bottom of the market to the very tippy top, with a lot of volatility in between. So again, huge buying opportunities, which is why we do want to hunt for these altcoins today. And I want to remind you guys that meme coins specifically are extremely risky. Guys, meme coins are extremely risky, but they seem to be the hottest thing in cryptocurrency for this bull market. We had AI tokens and gaming tokens and Solana ecosystem specifically that was very hot, but then it pivoted into just overall meme coin degeneracy, in my opinion. And honestly, it is a blast. There's a lot of money to be made with some of these meme coins. There's a lot of risk out there, but there's a lot of money to be made. And there's so many coins there that are not meme coins that are going to do tremendous, like Stacks, like Ondo probably. I know a lot of people are hyped up about that. Toncoin, Caspa, Avalanche is probably going to do tremendous. There's a lot of coins in here. For some reason, Litecoin always does well, even though I don't really love Litecoin. PEPE's meme, it's already done a tremendous job. ICPs, for some reason, people love ICP so much. Render has been a very popular coin. There's so many popular coins out there. And there's going to be so many good ways to make money in this market, but we are going to talk about a lot of memes today. So let's just look to start the day. What do you see? On top coins on the day, 24 hours. We got Ethereum name services up 22% today. That's ridiculous. Wow. Why is this ENS coin going so high? Unbelievable. Let's check it out. Wow. This thing is just blasting off right now. This is unbelievable. ENS, Ethereum name services. What is that? What I can say about it is if you want to be, let's say I wanted to have a wallet address on Ethereum, cryptokip.eth, which it doesn't exist. So don't send money to that. You can send money to cryptokip.cro if you want to. I'll share that with my partner on this channel, Black C. We appreciate all the tips. But Ethereum name services, what is it? It is that. It is .eth. Whatever you want as your name .eth. So what you do, just like on Cronos, they've got the Cronos ID. It is simply a way to get a name associated blank.eth, and then you can send money to blank.eth just by typing in blank.eth to the send address. It's growing in popularity. It's at $1 billion market cap. That's pretty big. Probably going to be a lot bigger than that, to be honest with you. So what is the inherent value in this? Well, the fact that people want to have those domain names. So there's good value with that. Not that surprised. Plus the Ethereum ETF hype is coming. Now, people thought that the Ethereum ETF was going to be approved tomorrow, but recently the SEC did just come out and, ask for updated S1 filings. So, okay, it's going to be a little bit longer. So this thing's still getting a pump out of it. Ethereum name services, Ethereum tokens in general are going to continue to probably get pumps leading up to that event. So honestly, that was the best thing that could have happened for tokens like Ethereum name services and other tokens on Ethereum. More buying pressure leading up to that event. Buy the rumor, sell the news event. Not to say that the Ethereum ETF is going to be a sell the news event, but bada bing, bada boom. LG Jerry says Litecoin for Kip. Ha! Good one, Jerry. Dog with Hat up 11.72% today. Let me move my table up so that I'm not leaning over my desk. There we go. Dog with Hat up 11.7%. Dog with Hat has been really just waiting to have its moment again. I think this was honestly, Dog with Hat gets the award for the cutest meme of 2024. Just because this dog with hat, man. I can't believe this token took off, but I can. Here it is. It's big. And, it was the dog with hat and the bonk and the PEPE mania that really started this whole meme coin revival. So I'm not going to be surprised to see dog with hat do a lot. Now, is dog with hat going to be our 100X altcoin? No, I don't think so. Is Ethereum name services going to be our 100X altcoin? No, I don't think so. Now, dog with hat already was a 100X altcoin. Like if you bought dog with hat way back when, my friends, early investor turns 1K into 100K. Boom. There you go. Somebody already did their 100X. So yes, this is a 100X play, but that time has already passed. Because if you are out there thinking the dog with hat is going to go to what is that? It'd have to go to $224 billion market cap. Then yowza. I mean, if you really think that's going to happen, then yowza. And if you're waiting for that to happen, then, you're not going to have a lot of luck in crypto. Now, you can think that could happen and take profit on the way up, and that'd be fine. But, if you're waiting for that market cap to just go that high, I don't know about that. Oh, what's really interesting is it's almost like the price reflects that's basically like waiting for a $200 dog with hat token. I don't think we're going to see that. So we're going to hunt for some other altcoin gems. What are the other big gainers on the day? Multiverse X. This one, I don't know much about this. Let's just check it out real quick because I don't know much about this one. It's on Binance. It's at Coinbase. It's OKX. A lot of big exchanges. What is Multiverse X? We got to take a peek at it real quick, my friends. We got to take a quick peek. We'll get into some news stories here in a second. Smash the like, subscribe. Welcome as more people are hopping in. 45 watching on Twitter, 25 on YouTube. This is the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip. I got my coffee. I should probably get some more because I need the energy. Multiverse X is a blockchain protocol that offers true horizontal scalability by using all aspects of sharding network transactions. To state, the project describes itself as a technology ecosystem, the new internet, guys. You hear it? Which includes decentralized finance, real-world assets, and the metaverse. It's smart contracts execution platform. Okay, so it's its own smart contract platform. So it seems to be an L1. Yeah, it's its own blockchain protocol. Okay. Interesting. A $800 million market cap, ranked number 80, Multiverse X. I don't know. Maybe you want to keep your eye on. Not going to be 100X Altcoin, but what if there's tokens that pop up in this ecosystem? And that's going to be the thing that I focus on today. I want to continue doing the hunting. Really in a scramble today. Hunting for the next big altcoin. Like, for example, we just looked at Multiverse X. Let's go over to the top coins out here. There's coins being built on Toncoin. I'm going to research those live on stream with you guys today. So get ready for that. Right? We're trying to find the next PEPE coin, right? We're finding the next 100X altcoin today. Bitcoin's breaking out and up. We're getting ready for the bull market, and we're looking for the tokens that are going to 100X on Toncoin. We're looking for the tokens that are going to absolutely explode on Caspa. Now that KRC20 tokens are out. Now Caspa is coming down today, a huge discount, huge opportunity in my opinion to get into Caspa on these dips. I'm keeping an eye on Caspa, and I want to get into some. We've been doing a lot of Caspa content, and I think that is going to play out well because I think Caspa is going to be huge. Caspa is the biggest loser today. What do? You buy when there's blood in the streets, my friend. You buy when there's blood in the streets. People are asking me how my Mary bags do. My Mary bags are doing well. They're coming back up. It's looking decent today. Feeling good. We'll get to Mary in a bit. But other big gainers on the day: Beam's back, Bonk's back, BitTensor. Brett's getting a good move today. That's good to see. And Brett's not the only one, actually. I was seeing that's Toshi. Toshi's trending over on CoinGecko as well today. And so you got the base chain. And so that's what we want to look at, guys. When you're looking for the when you're looking for the next 100X altcoin, what you got to do is you got to go into some of these ecosystems and you got to do the digging. And I'm going to pull up DeFi Llama real quick because this is exactly what I'm talking about. When you're looking at the top chains in crypto, look at the top memes. Look at the top utility tokens on Ethereum. Look at the top memes. Look at the top utility tokens on all these networks. Base chain, Solana are the two hottest. I think there's going to be a lot of 100Xs on both of these. I think Avalanche is still extremely undervalued, and I think that the tokens on its network are extremely undervalued. Toncoin. No YouTubers are talking about Toncoin for some reason. I don't know why. I think we need to start doing it. I think that we probably need to be one of the channels that's going to start talking about it because nobody's talking about this project that came up out of nowhere. The first person that told me about Toncoin was a Uber driver in Utah. And brother, if you're watching, shout out to you. I can't remember your name, but you were a broski. I enjoyed chatting with you, my friend. A random Uber driver in Utah has a bunch of friends over in Asia that were really bullish on Toncoin, and then all of a sudden Toncoin went from rank 20 to rank 10 in like a month after that conversation. Man, maybe I should take financial advice from my Uber drivers right now. I'm just kidding. Don't do that. But whenever you hear about something new, what you should do, my friends, what we should all be doing at all times is just digging into these ecosystems. What is DDoS? What is StonFi? What is TonStakers? What is BMO? What is Stakey? What is StormTrade? These are things that we need to look into. These are only on the Ton network. This is very interesting to see that these are only on the Ton network. So these are things we're going to look into today on this stream because why wouldn't we? Why wouldn't we? Other big gainers on the day, not really a lot of memes. Maker, Chainlink, Phantom, Avalanche getting a move. Good to see. On the day, what's the biggest losers? Caspa, big dip, great buy. I think. Why is it down? KRC20 tokens launched. There was a couple issues. The KRC20 tokens are minting, but some of the wallets are having issues. It gets kind of complicated, but that's my basic understanding of it. I've got a lot of learning to do myself on KRC20 tokens. I'm still digging into the weeds on this one. Now, from what I understand, the KRC20 token standard is really going to be huge because Caspa is solving the three-prong approach to a good blockchain. And, the fact that these tokens are just coming out right now, it's basically like the BRC20 token standard. It's coming to Caspa. We still don't have like DEXs and decentralized exchanges having. 01V Dizzle says, Ton has pumped already. Y'all missed pump. Better get the early coins before the pump. So good point. But V Dizzle, we still have not, yet to see anybody talking about it. So it's probably still got a lot of upside. But besides that, maybe you don't want to get Toncoin itself. Maybe you want to get some of the tokens within the Ton ecosystem, right? And so that's going to be the focus is, maybe you're late to Solana, but there's still going to be a ton of coins in Solana that absolutely explode because people buy Solana and then they buy tokens within the Solana ecosystem, which is a trending category on CoinMarketCap. A lot of these are pumped more than the tokens maybe on base or maybe on Ton, right? Because Solana has been way hotter. More eyes have come to it. So that's what you got to do. You kind of got to go where people aren't. To your point, I agree. Absolutely. What else is going on? So you guys are keep throwing some of those things out there in the chat about coins you're looking at. V Dizzle's talking about Caspa and Hobby. Yeah, we'll check those out. Caspa, I'm bullish on Caspa. We would do a lot of content on Caspa because I think it's going to have a huge one. But Caspa's already pumped. So you're saying such as Caspa before the pump. Caspa has been one of the top performers just to kind of challenge you on it because what fun would that be if I didn't challenge you on it? Caspa before the pump, what is this? This is a huge pump. Caspa's had a huge pump. So is Toncoin. But the Caspa coin probably still has a ton of upside. Again, we still don't really have full-on smart contracts happening on this blockchain, and it is better than Bitcoin is what they say. I don't know. I don't know. Nothing's really better than Bitcoin until it is. I'll believe it when I see it. Anyway, let's look into some of the stories on the day. Let's get into it. So we had a red month in June. June was a red month. We are out of June, so say goodbye to June and hello to July, my friends. We're up. Not at all yet. We're actually down 0.11% today in the month of July. Let's look at the Bitcoin chart. Whoa, what do you got there? Sign up for Blowfin, Femex, and BitGet in the link in the description down below in our YouTube description. You can get free money when you sign up. You can buy and hold your tokens on these platforms. You can also leverage trade like a degenerate, like I know we all are. So check it out if you haven't done so already. Looking at the total market cap, also, we had that candle flip green. So what's interesting is this, my friends. We had a red monthly candle close for Bitcoin, but we had a green weekly candle close recovery for the overall market. Now, as for Bitcoin on the 4-hourly time frame, getting a nice move back up. Some people were looking at like this little wedge range in here. Zing. Whoa. Come on now. Get. Okay. I'll show you here. Boom. And boom. Some people were like looking at a range like this. And we broke up and out of this range. So great. So now we're looking like I'm looking at this bigger wedge. I've been tracking this bigger wedge for a while. I think we're going to make our move up to 69K here. I was telling you guys, I think we're going to get a liquidity grab down here. But we are headed up, which is great to see. Overall market cap is headed up. Let's go zoom out a little bit. Let's go back out to the weekly time frames and let's see what happens. So while the overall market cap was green, the overall weekly candle for Bitcoin was red. And perhaps, maybe we take the weekly candles and look at the weekly candles more so as like kind of a wedge up there. I don't want to do that, though. I like this other wedge that I got drawn out. You can really see it well on the daily and the weekly time frame. But anyway, I do think we got a nice little bounce off that, exactly as I predicted. which was very, very, very beautiful to see. I think that if Bitcoin comes up to 69K, then we can get these altcoins to continue to go up. And we are in this kind of, wedge also for altcoins. So boom, this is kind of following Bitcoin, the overall market, just waiting for that altcoin explosion. Paul Bustamante says you got to deposit $100 into Blowfin. Yeah, you do. You have to do a little deposit. You gotta deposit a little bit of money to get the free money. So I don't know what the threshold is. Is it $100, Paul? Might be $100. So $100 to get a free 30. V Dizzle says, like your channel, smash the like button. I appreciate that. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Smash the like button. Yeah, we got those sign-up bonuses for you. Make sure you take advantage of them. And yeah, you might have to deposit a little bit of money, Crow Fits. But, you don't have to go leverage it if you don't want to, right? Maybe you can just go buy $100 worth of Bitcoin on the exchange. Boom, now you got free $30, right? Some things to think about. Crow Fits, shout out to you. You got it, brother. Anyway, so yes. Today we are in July officially. We had a red monthly candle in June. July is so far red as well, but I think that could change because we are seeing this chart looking like it's getting a bounce. The Bitcoin chart looking like it's getting a bounce. It's a beautiful thing to see, my friends. Excuse me. Beautiful thing to see, my friends. And I think we are headed in the right direction. Okay, let's get into some of the news stories, and then we'll look for some of these altcoins together. Liquidations, still a boatload. Still a boatload of liquidations above $70,000. Just waiting. I'm waiting on the liquidations. John Mayer's song, if you've ever heard it. That's what we're waiting for. About 15 to $20 billion worth of leverage to get liquidated. Can we, waiting on the leverage to get swept? You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm waiting for. In the meantime, we're getting a bounce in the range. Look, when you look at these liquidation heat maps, guys, these green lines, the brighter green, the stronger the magnet. Okay. So, and the more bars are, the stronger the magnet as well. And these are like levels that are, magnets. So maybe could we dip down to 50K in a tragic world? We could, but I've got a lot of reason to believe that ain't going to happen. And here's one of them. There's a lot of charts going on like this. This is an interesting one that I saw, showing 800 days after the peak. Boom, just straight up begins. Okay. So 800 days after the peak, boom, just straight up begins. But let's see where we're at right now compared to our last peak. Let's go here. We'll go to the daily candles. Let me do this. I'll zoom out. And so we've got the peak. I can tell you right now from this bottom, we're about 500 days. See, I know that 591 days. 591 days. That's the one I like to measure. I like to say about 1,071 days of a bull market is what we get. This other chart, here's another way to look at it. Boom, 800 days. Here you go. Right there. So that's it. 800 days. Not quite straight up. Not quite straight up. Not the best chart. Didn't pass the smell test. Because actually 800 days would be right here. So this guy's chart's wrong. But I like the idea. What I like to look at really, my friends, is this. It's funny how I just proved that chart wrong live on stream. That's how she goes. Here's what I like to look at. I'm clowning today. I'm just clowning around today. I don't know why. Feeling good. It's been okay. So back in the bull market of 2014 peak or 2013 peak, it took once Bitcoin in the next bull market in 2017 wicked above its previous high. It took 55 days. You've seen me do this. It took 18 days to break through its previous high after it wicked above it in the 2021, and now all of a sudden it's taken like 120 days since we wicked above to just break higher. But we wicked above so much earlier ahead of schedule than usual. And so Bitcoin's like a ticking, clock here, waiting for that absolutely explosion. Yes, that's exactly what I was doing, Chris. Here's Pam. Yeah. So, geez, guys, geez. What I'm looking at here is this. If you look at the bottom of the bear market, the very bottom, tippy bottom of the bear market, okay, to the very, very peak, you'll see about 1,057 days, right? That's the last bull market. Then the bull market before that, from the very bottom to the tippy top, we're looking at 1,071 days. That's the magic number. About 1,060, 1,070 days. So 1,060, 1,070, 1,050. Now, what if we play out that same deal? Okay. Boom. 1,000. And if you're looking for these 100X altcoins, then this is important information. You're looking at 1,071 days. That means the bull market would hypothetically, absolutely, under no conditions, extend past October of 2025. Now, originally, I thought maybe we were going to end this bull market in, the spring or something, or in the winter of this year, even, because we were way ahead of schedule. But since Bitcoin has decided to consolidate over here, and typically Bitcoin doesn't consolidate after it takes highs. Typically, Bitcoin breaks to a parabolic rally after 55 days after taking the highs. Typically, Bitcoin breaks to a parabolic rally 18 days after taking the highs. This is not a typical bull market. It's been about 120 days since we've wicked above the highs, and Bitcoin still isn't taking a parabolic rally. And so again, if we're looking at just roughly about 1,000 days of bull market, my friends, that we basically have a lot of time left. If we go out to, let's just say, 1,000 days, well, from today, we're only 600 days in, which means we got 400 days left. We are 60% of the way through this bull market, roughly. And the remaining 40% always looks like this every single time. It's a parabolic explosion. So we're getting ready. We're accumulating. We're preparing ourselves. Payday this Friday for John 3:16 DCA, baby. I love it. I love it, my friend. Blessings to you, John 3:16, my friend. Blessings to you indeed. But anyway, I do like this chart. The numbers aren't the best on it, except it's a great idea. And it's true that these moves are coming for crypto. Sony is getting ready to launch crypto exchange in Japan with acquired Amber platform. They're acquiring a platform, crypto-focused platform. Sony is looking to launch their own crypto exchange. This could be big, very interesting, potentially for a coin we've been talking quite a bit about. That coin is Jasmy, which is also propped up by executives that are from Sony. I don't know. Maybe they get one of the first listings on that exchange. Maybe it could be decent. We'll see how it goes. Maybe they don't like the ex-Sony executives. Maybe they're going to be boxed out. But anyway, they're just kind of connecting a line between Sony, Japan, and Jasmy. Could be good. Anyway, good to see crypto expanding to other countries across the globe, which isn't surprising. Because Bitcoin chart go up over time. It's been epic, is what it's been. So I'm going to keep it spending. German U.S. government is moving $150 million in crypto today. German and U.S. government is making strategic moves, very strategic, super strategic, with significant Bitcoin and Ethereum transfers drawing market attention. I don't really care what they're doing, but I do care that they're holding crypto in general. Selling crypto, don't know why they'd be doing that. But I guess it's because they own billions of it. We actually looked at some charts a while ago to see how many billions of Bitcoin, billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin these guys own. And they own quite a bit, my friends, quite a bit. Chris Klein says, you must be a 90s kid too. Born in 1992. 20 or 30. Whoa, not 20, 31 years old. 31 years old. I am 31 years old. Anyway, yeah, German government moving more money, probably causing more fear in the markets. Another thing causing more fear in these markets is likely the Mt. Gox exchange. Bop, boop, boop. I think that this fear is behind us personally. Hold on, got to get some coffee. I personally believe, Bob, that this fear and this Mt. Gox exchange, Bob, is behind us. Okay, so there you go. But it is something that's interesting. $9 billion of coins into the market. That's a lot of money. It's a lot of money. And it's coming. And, are people going to sell it? I don't know. I don't think so. I mean, if Bitcoin's about, 400 days away from the end of the bull market, and the last stretch of a bull market is very, very bullish, and like the data is so obvious, and we're getting Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs coming out, I mean, really, are these guys, all these people that get this money, like original adopters of crypto, gonna just give up on crypto now? That they'd be excited to get this money, and then to get a bull market after it. I don't think that the sell-offs happen, immediately. Maybe there's going to be some, but man, I think that in general, there's going to be a lot of buying pressure in this bull market. And even though $9 billion is a lot of money, think about it this way. I've got trend lines on my charts on the total market cap for crypto. Boop, boop, boop. For $10 trillion and $20 trillion levels. Now, I don't know if we go to 20 trillion in this bull market, but I could definitely see us going to 10 trillion in this bull market. I could see that. I could see that happening. And so when you're scared of $9 billion, when you're talking about $10 trillion, it is 0.09%, right? Am I right? Of 10 trillion. Is that right? Is $9 billion 0.09% of 10 trillion? Is 9 billion 0.09% of 10 trillion? I think that's right. Somebody check my math. That is not a lot. When you're trading a meme coin, you're scared of people that own 1% of the supply sometimes. That makes a little more sense. 0.09%, not as worried about that. Not as well. Even if it's 0.9%, still, no, I don't think it's 0.9%. I think it's 0.09%. It's too early to do that much math, my friends. But if somebody wants to do it for me, that'd be cool. Do that math for me, my friends. OG Jerry's hyped about Mary. We getting a pump on Mary? Boop, boop, boop. Getting a little move up. Let's see what we got. Yeah, I'm hyped about this coin. We'll see how she does. We'll keep an eye on this one. Anyway, Mt. Gox, that money's coming out. I'm not worried about a dump after that. I'm just hyped for the bull market, y'all. We got 108 viewers, by the way, and we've got 76 of you guys on X. Majority of people watching on X these days. Let me know if you're watching on X. Do you watch on YouTube as well? Are you just watching on X? I think some people are watching on X now instead of watching on YouTube, which is very interesting to see with these live streams. Just very interesting to see. Kind of an experiment here where we're doing these live streams on, X and on YouTube. Just having some fun with it. Doc Denzel's a tuber. Appreciate it. Doc Denzel, a legend. You've been around for a long time, my friend. Now, let's get into the meat and potatoes of this thing. Let's talk about our 100X altcoins. We got a hunt. I'm going to talk about a couple of them myself. And if you guys you got some yourself that you like, that you want to talk about, you can throw them in the comments down below, and we can chit chat a roo about them. Still kick off X when I was Twitter. I don't know what that means, George. It still kick off X when it was Twitter. Interesting. So NFT sales fell 44% as crypto dipped. Meme coins steal mindshare in Q2. Guys, NFTs are dead until they're not, in my mind. I don't like NFTs. I lost money on NFTs. I was late to NFTs, so I'm biased. But inherently, try to explain NFTs to people, and everyday normal people think it's the most ridiculous thing ever. Now, an NFT concert ticket, things like that, I can get behind. A unique NFT for a Michael Jordan yada yada, thing. And custom Ariana Grande one of one NFT launched by herself. Whatever you want to do with your NFTs there, but NFTs are not the future of crypto. You can do other creative things with the NFT concept down the road, but we're just not there yet. At the core of crypto, people want to make money. And we want to see bigger, greater things happen in society, like maybe, voting for elections on the blockchain. That's one that I've talked about a lot. I'd love to see that. That'd be cool. Maybe we see, the amount of money donated and exactly where it comes from the super PACs and donators to election campaigns, right? See, I want crypto and blockchain technology and the public ledger to improve society. Maybe we are doing other things where percentage of transaction fees on a blockchain go towards a charity or whatever. These are the things, not NFT sales, not NFTs. So meme coins in the meantime, people want to make money first and foremost in crypto. It seems to be that way. Makes sense to me. I'm about it as well. I'd like to see the world become a better place. That will happen with crypto over time, hopefully, and that's the goal. But in the meantime, people are trying to make a ton of money. So meme coins steal the mind share in Q2. Guys, meme coins are going to be the biggest thing in this crypto bull market, in my personal opinion, which is why I have so many degenerate plays right now. It's been absolutely wild. Aiden Restraticinas says, my brother Kip, I've been staking on Vino. What do you think about Vino? I think that it's all right. I'm just doing a lot of trading these days, swapping my bags around, just trying to hunt for a profit. So I moved away from the staking model, and I'm just moving from ecosystem to ecosystem, from coin to coin, just kind of trading some pumps and dumps, like doing some of that a little bit, getting some medium-term holds, got some long-term holds too, always keep some long-term holds, but messing around with that. But yeah, Vino's good on Cronos, but I want to focus in on some of the meme coins today and hunt for some of the 100X gems. Like, I don't know, there's going to be some 100X gems on Cronos probably. Now let's get into, because again, meme coins I think are going to be the big thing. So I want to focus in on this. So how do you hunt for the next 100X coin, whether it's a meme coin, whether it's an altcoin? Well, here you got Toshi trending #1 today, which is good to see. I've seen this MAGA hat coin a lot. A lot of people are making money on Hoppy today. I don't know anything about Hoppy. So Hoppy, let's check it out. What the heck is Hoppy on Bilaxi and MAXi on XT, Uniswap, boop, boop, boop. What is Hoppy? Where did Hoppy come from? Let's take a peek at it. I heard some people talking about it, so we'll take a peek. Hoppy, more than just a meme coin. Hoppy on ERC20. People are buying another ERC20 meme coin? What is this, PEPE 2.0? I don't get it. Can somebody fill me in here? Can somebody fill me in on Hoppy? I don't understand. We've already got PEPE on Ethereum. Why Hoppy? Why Hoppy? We'll check the website. Is on a mission to take over the meme universe. Happy to show its greatness. Oh, I guess this is another Matt Fury character. We'll see. Maybe this is one, right? I don't know. Now, here, okay, so is it 100X? Well, right now it's at a 45 million market cap. So my question to you is 100X. You think this is going to a 450? Oh, whoa. $4.5 billion market cap, right? Probably not, but you never know. I don't know. You never know. I don't know. Can it go to a billion? I don't know. We got to keep an eye on Hoppy. Hoppy looks brand new. I never heard nothing about Hoppy. Been around since April. It has been going crazy. That's for sure. Has been going crazy. ERC20 tokens are harder for me. They're harder to want to buy because the transaction fees are so darn high. But maybe you're buying this on some of these exchanges, right? You could buy on Bilaxi, MAXi, some of these other ones. Interesting. Let's talk about some of the other ones out there. So that one's trending today. Toshi's trending today. What's Toshi? Toshi is the Brian Armstrong's cat is named Toshi, and Brian Armstrong is the CEO of Coinbase. This one is at $117 million market cap. The question then would become, can it go to a $10 billion market cap? Can it 100x? I don't think so. I don't think it can go to a $10 billion market cap, but maybe. I could be wrong. I could certainly be wrong. Maybe it could go to a billion. I think a 10x could be easy on Toshi. A 20x could be achievable, potentially even. Anything past that, we're really stretching it out. You never want to expect a coin to go to 10 billion because you're setting yourself up for failure there. You can try to hunt for that billion-dollar meme. Those ones are more achievable. We've seen that more historically, so your odds are a little bit better. If the community's strong, you have a better chance there. But Toshi, you've already done your 100x, right? This thing's already done a 100x because at one point, this coin was at 0.00002, and then at one point it went up to 0.007. So, that's over a 10x. That's like a 30 or 40x. But, it's been even lower than that. So there you go. This from October 2nd all the way until April 8th, Toshi already did 100x. It's got more upside likely. And here's what I'm doing, guys. I'm going to be looking into some of these different chains, right? If you want to find your altcoin gems, what you got to do is be digging into these chains. And so you look at the base chain, and you can look at some of the protocols on here, and you can start digging into then some of the meme tokens on base. Well, how can you do that? If you go over to this, you go to chains, and you look at the chains, you will see, my friends, you will see the top tokens. Just go to the market cap over the last, go to the market caps, and you can start looking through some of these. Well, on this one, you're only going to see Brett. Let's see what we got going on CoinGecko, actually, if they do a little bit better job. What I really would like to do is go to the chains. Can we check out the chains? Can we look at the chains? Categories, ranking, exchanges. No, it looks like we can't really look at the chain. All right, so I guess the other way to do it is really to just kind of look at the meme category. Unless we do it this way. Let's see here. One more chance. There you go. Base ecosystem. Boom. Yeah, a little bit better. A little bit better. So looking at the market cap, the top ones, Brett is the #1 coin on base. Mog coin, that one's pretty popular, also big on base. Could this 100x? Well, I don't know, guys. 667 million. It has to go to 6.6 billion. That's pretty tough. That's pretty tough to say. So you scroll down, you look at some of these other ones. Toshi, again, 10, 20x could be easy. I think a 10x could still be achievable for Brett at this point because it's grown so strong. Could go to 10 billion because of how strong it's been. Still doesn't have a Coinbase listing. A lot of these things don't have Coinbase listings, actually. So all these tokens on Base Chain, which is a hot chain, these could be decent. Crow with Knife is on Base Chain. Shout out to the Crow with Knife army. Another big coin that's on Cronos. I think this thing could potentially 100x, maybe. It could go to 1 billion, I think, in this bull market. 1 billion is the goal for a lot of the people in this community. So 1 billion is my conservative target. Well, my hopeful conservative target. Conservative. Nothing's financial advice, guys. But it's not inherently a base chain meme. But hey, you know what? It's very big meme right now. Roost coin, this one's on base as well. Only at 11 million. Who knows? Maybe Roost coin is going to have its day in the sun. Only at 11 million. A lot more room to grow there. Carlo, I don't know anything about this one. A bunch of memes on here. You could start digging into a lot of these. Base God, I've seen this one a little bit. That's a play on, that's Brian Armstrong's face right there. Here you got a Trump meme coin on base with only a $5 million market cap. What else we got out here? Got some others. I think they're missing Andy in this. I've got some Andy coin personally. I don't see it in this list, which is very interesting. So they're missing some. Guys. One of the best ways to really do this then is probably to just go over and type in the biggest meme coin on Dex Screener on the particular chain. And then what you could do is you can kind of look at a lot of these different tokens and then start to kind of see for yourself. So on the base chain, oh, it looks like Hoppy's on base chain too. Yeah. Hoppy's on base chain too. There you go. So maybe you're going to do that instead. Maybe you want to get into Hoppy. Maybe you're buying it on the base chain. There you go. So there's some clever one. This PP coin, this PEPE coin. This thing's going crazy. It's like the Chinese Pepe. I don't know why there's all these Pepe mocks. Everybody's looking for the next Pepe. That's by find the next Pepe. Is it this red PP Pepe? Is that what it is? I don't think so. I don't think so. $97 million market cap. If it goes up to $1 billion, boom, there's your 100x. Mog coin at a 670 million. This one doesn't have a chance to 100x. I don't think. What is Mog? I don't know. It's got those glasses. Those glasses are trendy. Tough to say. Pickle? What is pickle? I have no idea. I have no idea. This is exploding. I would never buy a candle like this. Not on the beginning of a thing. I'd wait for a crash. Before I got into anything, I know nothing about pickle. I'm just looking through the base chain memes. Can do. What other ones out there? Andy. There's Andy. I have some Andy. Andy is trying to do the thing. We'll see how it happens, my friends. I bought it somewhere down here, so bought it at a discount. You know, hunting through some of these coins, Andy, why did I get it? Because it's also the same creator as the guy that created this Hoppy meme, right? Or Pepe originally, right? There's so many different ways to do it. So you kind of dig through, and then what you could do is you can like hop into some of the token details on these things and start hunting through for yourselves. Like, look how many holders there are. Okay, there's 20,000 holders for this coin. There are, what's the wallet distribution? Oh, wallet distribution looking pretty decent. Okay. These are the things you peek at. So look at all the chains. You look at all the tokens on those chains. Anyway, I like Bread a lot. I don't think it's a 100x coin. I think I like Toshi a lot. That one looks pretty strong. I do like to see that Toshi is trending on the top of CoinGecko right now. There's another one that I really, really, really like a lot that I am confident is going to 100x. I think this coin's going to 100x. And it is Welsh coin on Bitcoin. This is a Bitcoin meme. I've talked a lot about it. It's at a $23 million market cap. That means if this coin goes to a $2.3 billion market cap, then it is a 100x. And I do believe that that is achievable. Why? Because it's the first dog meme token ever on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin DeFi, I think, is going to be a huge narrative. The Nakamoto upgrade comes later this year. This token's way down from its highs. If it just goes back to its previous all-time highs, that is almost a 10x from here. It's really actually about like a 6x from here to go back to the previous highs. I think that's a slam dunk. I think it's obvious. I think it's easy. The market cap is very low for this token compared to what I think comes next for Bitcoin DeFi overall. I think there's a lot of other tokens that are very, very big potentially. Maybe Bitcoin Pepe. Some people were talking about. I don't know. Do I hold any of that anymore? I don't think I hold any of that anymore. I think I sold it for my Welsh. I kind of consolidated it all into Welsh. I feel most confident about Welsh. Actually, Welsh is my #1 favorite meme coin pick for this bull market personally, and I think it is the most likely project that I personally know of and have confidence in that could 100x. But that is not financial advice. I'm not giving financial advice. You got to do your own due diligence. You got to do your own research, my friends. That's just how you got to do it. Anyway, I do like Welsh a lot, and you can look through some of these other ecosystems. Can we actually even find Welsh on here? Not really. Not really. No, we can't. So that's unfortunate. Yeah, the Stacks tokens aren't quite on Dex Screener for some reason. I wish they were. Other ones that I'm looking at. So I've been looking at the Cronos ecosystem. Let's talk about that. And we can look again, type in Caw. Caw's the #1 meme on Cronos. You also saw earlier it was on base chain. Mary token, Push token getting a move. These tokens have some promise. I think, Caw, I don't think you can 100x from here, but I do think that you could see this thing 20x, right? I think we can go to $1 billion. So decent moves ahead. This thing had a huge pump from a crypto.com exchange listing. We'll see how she plays out. This community is staying very strong. The Mystery Mary token, this coin's only at a $7 million market cap. I think that this token could 100x because $700 million is 100x. This token could 100x. It's possible. It's possible. It's more possible than honestly anything else besides like Welsh in my mind. that I'm talking about today. And yes, I own a lot of Welsh and I own a lot of Mary. Full disclosure. Am I biased? Perhaps. I could be biased. So you need to know that. But also a $7 million market cap and a second top trending token on a chain that is first time, experiencing its first bull market, the Cronos chain. It kind of makes sense to me. I don't know. The Mary community is very strong. And then there's a ton of other coins out there. Push is getting a nice move back up, trying to recover. Only at a $1.5 million market cap. If it goes to 150 million, boom, you got 100x there. I don't know if this is going to happen for Cronos. I think that could, though. I think there could be a tremendous amount of upside for the Cronos chain. There's other ones out there like, an ecosystem I never really look at is Avalanche. Avalanche has some coins out there. Kakinu token. Can this 100x? Well, I don't know. It's at 121 million. I don't think it's going to 12 billion. So I don't think you get 100x from here. But there's other tokens out there. I don't know anything about No Chill. I don't know anything about it. $5 million market cap coin, but you could start to dig into some of these. I know that this Wolf coin seems to be kind of popular on Land Wolf. I think it's on Solana though. Chart's not looking too good, but maybe these are the times to accumulate. I don't know anything about this coin, so I'm not telling you guys to buy it. I'm just telling you guys how I kind of go through and decide. And then when you do look at a token, what I like to do is like, let's just use, Kakinu as an example. I don't love the name to say out loud. You can go to the Discord, you go to the Twitter, you can go to the website, and you should go to all three. You should look at what's going on. Is the community talking about it? Is the community hyped about it? These are the things that you got to ask yourself, my friends. OG Jerry says how to buy Welsh. Welsh, my friend, I think you got to go over to maxi, CoinX, Veller, and Alex Labs. Alex Labs is tough to do right now. I buy it on Veller. I buy it on Veller through my Xverse wallet, right? I got a DeFi wallet for the Stacks ecosystem, transferred Stacks over to my Xverse wallet, went over to my Xverse wallet, went to the Veller DEX on my Xverse wallet and swapped my Stacks tokens for Welsh. I don't have access to maxi or CoinX, I don't believe. I'm in the US. So there. Crypto Keeper finally up on Mary's. OG Jerry talking about waffles. I love waffles. I don't know anything about the coin. Is Waffles a cat? Oh, it's a cat, huh? Waffles is moving. $18 million market cap. What chain is this on? Solana. A lot of Solana memes, my friends. A lot of Solana memes. Let's look at the Solana memes real quick. Oh, no. I don't even want to say these words out loud. That's unbelievable. Okay, wait. Is this Solana? Yeah, this is Solana. So look at all these Solana tokens. Look at the tokens on Solana. There's so many tokens on Solana that just explode every single day. But you got to kind of get past some of those. Now, this Wolf coin on Solana, this one is one that seems like it's doing the thing. 164 million. I wouldn't be surprised if this is the next $1 billion meme coin on Solana. I'm going to be honest about it. I don't know. I've seen it everywhere. I can't get away from it. And typically something decent happens after that. How is the wallet distribution on this token? Just at a glance, that looks pretty decent. I don't know. I got to look into this, but this one is definitely catching my eye. I've seen a lot of hype about this one. So you're going to want to keep an eye on Wolf on Soul, I think. Burpee. Ooh, look at those death wicks. See, you got to be careful with these memes, guys. You got to be careful with these memes. I'm just looking through these things. Yeah, I don't even see Waffle up here, so I wonder how you found that one, brother. Anyway, I mean, chart looks decent. Marty says Corrosional's cats kip. I saw that. I did see that. No, I haven't done anything with it, but I did see Corrosional's. Uh, Too new for me. Too new. Can't get into something too new. Too fast. 500, 68K market cap, very small, very low liquidity. Terrible wallet distribution. Terrible wallet distribution. A lot of big players at the top. I mean, look, I'm rooting for all the coins on Cronos. I hope it does well. It looks like there's a lot of hype behind this project. 241 holders. So we'll see. We'll see how she goes. It looks like an NFT thing that turned into a token. I saw they're getting support from Joyho on Crow with Knife, which is interesting because he says that, there's only one choice, but then he goes out and he supports Croginal out of nowhere, which tells me he's probably one of these wallets, right? So, yeah, I don't know anything. Just speculating. Gonna be a lot of 100X alts out there, guys. And you just gotta hunt for them. My friends. Purple PEPE. Okay, PEPE. Yeah, you see that one? I was looking. All right, guys. Well, it's kind of how I go about hunting for them, really. I mean, you look around on Deck Screener, you dig in, look at the socials, tap into it. Look at the hot ecosystems, look at the new tokens on those ecosystems. Maybe I am sleeping on PEPE. I don't know. I'll have to check it out. See, I'm doing my own research as well. Just trying to figure it out day by day. Now, if you guys want to buy the dips in crypto, you guys want to accumulate more crypto yourselves, go ahead, check it out, because I think we got a good buying opportunity right now, guys. We're waiting for this parabolic explosion, and before it happens, these are the times to accumulate. If you want to buy some crypto, you want to trade some crypto, sign up for Femex. Use our link on YouTube in the description down below. If you're watching us on Twitter, you should go to our YouTube channel right now and subscribe. You can become a member on our YouTube channel. You get access to our private Discord. We're building a community, an army, if you will. We're building a crypto army, let me tell you, and we are finding the next 100X memes. It's going to be great. We're going to make so much money, it'll make your head spin, let me tell you. No, not financial advice, but you can join our private Discord on YouTube if you want to check it out. Blowfin, sign up bonus down below. You get to deposit a little bit of money to get money, but I think these are accumulation zones for crypto. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, we will see you in the next one. DCA HODL. Until next time, folks, thanks for tuning in. Find those gems. Keep hunting, y'all. Peace. Later.